Hello there, my name is Mr. Cowan, and I've been teaching here at Thomas Jefferson Middle School for 16 years now. Prior to that, I taught in Milwaukee, and I also built houses for a while, so built a lot of homes along Lake Michigan. And I still like to build things in the summer times. I like to play sports, I like the outdoors, I'm a hiker, backpacker, etc., etc. I do love teaching science, and I look forward to meeting all of you. It is, obviously things are a lot different now. I mean, we have to wear masks and things, but, we'll get through it. We'll get through it together. I still look forward to meeting each of you. Look forward to a fun year. Hopefully things go well, and we can I've got some class fish, class turtle, class snake. I've got some animals I like to bring in. I like animals and things. Just really quickly about myself, I guess I can just quickly grab some Google images right quick. Maybe I can just show you just some Google photos, but we had an ice skating trip last year. It's right here. That was just a lot of fun. My dad lives in the Upper Peninsula. He was a musician in Milwaukee, and he was also a school teacher. You can see here I lead some backpacking trips. That day we went down a mine. So I lead backpacking trips into the wilderness and Upper Peninsula and the Boundary Waters, and kids love to hammock on these trips, and you can see they're really cool. We do a lot of canoeing, and I just love those times in the wilderness, stuff like this. So I have two children. My son's name is Connor. He's at the high school, and my daughter is Courtney, and she is off to college